Dear Diary, today really sucked. This guy was like pushing me around and like I fell to the floor and there's like a huge scrape on my back. I was like literally crying and pleading to God that I wouldn't die because I was like bleeding so much. Well, today really sucked, but I lived my life the way I want it. Well, later on, I had a bandage and someone ripped it off and I was like and I was like crying still, and I went to class and my teacher asked, "Why are you crying?" And she slapped me and I was crying even more and all the children were laughing at me and my best friend, why would she laugh at me? It was also a gloomy day. The skies were covered with dark gray clouds and it rained a little. Next page. Well, you know how life is. Raining, pouring, sunshine, and a little bit of, yeah. Let me think. Still writing. My hand won't stop. Okay. Thinking. Well, I wonder if the day before or the day tomorrow, I don't, either one, doesn't matter. Well, yesterday was pretty lame too. I just crossed out a big thingy, and then, well, yesterday was pretty bad. This guy came up to me again, and then he like kissed me. And that was the worst kiss ever because his lips were all chappy and then he had like a bunch of mustard on his face. Well, and then he had like mosquito bites everywhere. And well, I guess that was pretty funny, but Dear Diary, life sucks.